our skate park called the Cave Skate Park. It's a DIY skate park that's built by the skaters for the skaters. We've had this spot for a little over 3 years. We had our third-year anniversary on the 27th of September. We've written it down in the skate park so we don't forget it.
So initially, we used to skate a lot of street spots. We used to be chased off all of those locations. We started off thinking we should be a magazine company, giving insight to skateboarders across, and then we realized there are no access to skateboards. So we thought it's ideal to have a skateboard shop than a magazine company. And that's how we started working towards skateboarding, and then realized that we need to have more skate parks.
It's an ongoing thing. It's not over ever, you know. It's like a DIY park. It's always changing. There's always going to be improvements. We've done everything in sections, so we've gotten money from like brands, and then we've built areas. We've gotten crowd-funded money and built areas.
We had a lot of skate enthusiast friends from all over the world. Whatever they could possibly send, they sent that. It could be from power tools to dollars to rupees to lots of love. So we've received them in plenty, and then we've built this skate park.
So it's like a multi-faceted venue. The Cave Skate Park is not just a skate park. It's a performance space pretty much for anybody who wants to utilize it. My favorite line with teaching skateboarding is from this guy called John Dahlquist, who runs the Brigade Race Gymnasium. And he says you can't teach skateboarding, but skateboarding teaches you. So in a way, every skateboarding workshop or a lesson is not only a lesson with the kid or with the person, but is also a personal lesson to yourself, where you're also learning on how to communicate better, how to get your message across, and how to make sure they understand it and kind of use it so they can land that trick, you know.